Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Kawasaki VULCAN 900 Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 19,845 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a chip on the front fender. This bike has 2 keys and has been upgraded with rider floorboards. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.